Friends, I'm here to do a quick color comparison for you. I have two John Renau colors, 8RH14 and 10RH16. They're really close in number, so I figured somebody might be curious about how they're different. So if you want to know more, we'll talk about it really quick. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook. A color comparison video would be in order. I know I am personally curious when color codes are really close together. The wig I'm wearing is Harper by John Clementine. I will put some details below, links to these wigs and all of the good stuff, as well as a coupon code that will save you money if you do decide to purchase any of these or any John Renau wig. All right, so color codes. I really appreciate it when wig manufacturers include codes with the names. Sometimes they only have the codes, but it can be really challenging if all they have is a name. So the wig I'm wearing is 8RH14. Now, the numbers actually mean something, and I have a blog post that I created with a color index linked in that blog post. Basically breaks down all the color codes for you. So when you're looking at brunettes, you've got kind of a 2 to a 12. So an 8 is a medium brown. Sometimes it's warm, sometimes it's ashy. That's one of the hard things about this is you don't really know just by the code what the ultimate kind of coolness or warmth is going to be. But an 8 is a medium brown and a 14 is a dark blonde. Now, in the John Renau brand, when you see an RH, that means that there are 33% highlights. That's what the RH means. So we've got an 8 brown with 33% dark blonde highlighted. Whereas on the 10RH16, a 10 is a kind of a light brown. The lightest brown is a 12. And a 16 is a golden blonde. So we've got sort of a light brown, medium light brown, with some golden blonde highlights. Neither one of these are super highlighted. It just gives it some, dynamic interest, brightens up the color a little bit, so it's not so flat, but it's absolutely not heavily highlighted. Neither one of these are. But you can see, and I'm standing in front of a giant window. It's the only light that's on me right now. I don't have any artificial light on me. So you can kind of see the depth, a deeper, darker color compared to this one. Let me throw on the other color just so you can see it on. And here's Harper. So you can kind of see. Sorry about my door. There's a breeze in here and apparently it's pounding my door. So if you can hear that, I apologize. So if you like darker browns, if you're kind of a rich, darker brown girl, then I think 8RH14 would be a great color. If you like more of a lighter brown, kind of a medium light brown, this one is a beautiful color. 10RH16. Both are brunettes. I hope this helped. Let me know if you have any questions. Remember, I've got that blog post linked below with the color codes so that you can learn more about them. Talk to you soon.
Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.